Okay, by request, I am doing a video to show you how to use a hair stick and get all of your hair up. After that, if you want to stay tuned, I'll show you a quick and easy mini bun, just real fast again because I already have a video on that. I'm going to use today the Lila Rose Make a Stick. I love this one. It comes with this little chain attached and you can add a charm. There are several available from Lila Rose, but I added one, I think this is from a paparazzi bracelet. It's a little rose. And I just clipped it on to my Mega Stick. It works great. So I'm going to turn around and make sure, well, let me do it front ways. Well, no, I'll do it back ways. So bear with me because I'm gonna have to turn around and make sure you can actually see what I'm doing, and then I'll do it. So you'll probably see my mirror in the reflection, but it is what it is. So you see that I have a lot of hair and it's thick and curly. So here's how we do it. First, this may or may not look perfect, but I'm just kind of trying to show you the technique. There's lots of ways to pull and twist and make it what you want. I'm gonna leave a little bit of hair down because I like to do that, but you can certainly put it all. I would prefer that this be looser, so I'm gonna pull it back up in just a second, okay? So we're gonna flip. Basically start with a ponytail. Now what I'm gonna do, because I like mine to be a little looser, is I'm gonna pull just a little bit of hair out and looser. You can of course leave that all up, but I like to have a little bit hanging down, okay? So I'm gonna turn around, make sure that you can see me. Nope. All right, I'm gonna have to squat, so this should be interesting. Won't take long, right? So first thing, you've got your ponytail. Start about halfway. I'm taking the stick and kind of pressing it right there, see? But grab your ponytail so you have, put your hand where you want it if you have very thick hair so that stays together. And I'm just gonna press it and fold and twist and just keep going until you're done. And then stick it in. And that's it. You have super easy lemon squeezy all of your hair up, and then you can tug, hold it so you don't pull it out, but it is super tight. I'm actually quite shocked. I don't really want that much down, but what I meant to do was loosen that a little. So this is a little bit of a messy updo, so we may try it one more time, shall we? To see if we can just get it all up. Ponytail, biggest thing is, mistake I always make, smooth this back part, okay? And then you can pull this little bit of volume. Let's try it this way. We'll have, if you want a little volume up top. Now remember, when you stick it in, you're gonna get a little more volume, so don't pull too much because you can fix that later. Let's grab this little stray. And there, see, I still have a few little wispies that I can curl later. All right, so here we go again. Let's try it again. Just twist and tuck it in, and there you go, nice and tight. That's better. It feels better. Does it look better? Okay, so see this? I don't want this. If you want this, that's fine, but if you want to pull it out so it's not so tight and snug against your head, just hold this and just gently grab and tug. If you don't do it gently, you can end up pulling the whole thing out, but as long as you're very careful and deliberate about it, and you can just take this, see how this looks a little funny sticking up? Just take that and kind of tuck it in. Make sure your stick is secure. And there you go. I hope that that was helpful. And Miss Pat, I thank you for commenting and requesting that style. I'll show you another way to do a bun. So why don't we just keep going? Okay. I just threw my stick on the floor. I don't recommend that. So, bun, we all know how to make a bun, right? Make your rope, twist it, tuck that tail under. If you want little messies, just pull them out. I don't want to pull too much because it's good curl day. So stick it in. You see how I'm angling towards the side? Rub against your scalp, don't hurt yourself, and then just stick. And you can put that bun in the back or on the side, or wherever you want to go. We're going to skip the mini bun because I'm going to show you some more all the way ups. This is a really cute one I did yesterday in a group with my Swerve U pin, but I betcha we can do it. So just a loose braid. You can do a tight braid if you want. I'm just gonna do a loose one. Let's see if this will work. I might make a liar of myself, but I'm pretty sure we can do it. And so there, I have a cute little loose braided bun over on the side. Same thing, stick it in a diagonal, grab your scalp. Make sure you catch some of that underneath hair, and you're good to go. I'm not sure that's really a look that I would go for, but if you need an updo for a fancy party or a fun summer party, there you go. Now all of these hairs, if they're not doing what you want to, pardon my roots, and you just gently smooth and kind of bear claw rake them to where you want to, and finish with whatever styling products you prefer to hold your hair. All right, thanks for watching. These hair sticks are amazing. Sometimes when I put all my hair up on a bun, now that twist that I did in the back, that one held it great, solid, secure. Sometimes when I do a bun, if I don't have it real tight, I will use two and just have one for extra security. But the good news is that the Lila Rose hair sticks you can buy in singles or in pairs, so they're cheaper if you buy two of the same one. So if you want to, then there you go, you can get two. And there's so many different styles available. I hope that this was helpful. If you liked it, hit like and give me that thumbs up so that I know what is liked, because I don't want to just keep throwing stuff out there that's not useful to anyone, right? And hit that subscribe button so I can show you more fun hairstyles and you won't miss them. All right, thanks for joining and have a great week. Bye-bye.